You clicked. Now you're on my grid. If you don't watch until end of this video, I will hunt you down, okay?
Did you know that you don't need a fancy recording studio like this to create videos? In fact, you don't even need to be on camera making an AI avatar like this.
Okay, now you can create high-quality AI talking photos like me using this viral AI tool called Mango AI.
The link is in the descriptions. Grab it and create a free account and boom, you can start. Mango AI is a smart creative agent for content creators and marketers. It has 27 AI tools and the list keeps growing. Talking photos, avatar dialogue, face swap, talking avatar, lip sync video, singing photo, voice cloning, text to video, image to video, live portrait, face dance, video translator, custom avatar, and so on. We are not going to see all of them. Today, we'll focus on the AI talking and singing photo generator, which is viral and trending in the social media now. Step 1. Open the AI talking photo tool and click on the icons to upload your avatar image. Pro tip. Use a single clear face with a good lighting. Step 2. Crop the area you want, tick it and hit next. Step 3. Add your script, or you just paste or write your text whatever you want in whatever the language you want. Mango AI supports more than 25 languages, so go for global. Step 4. Choose a voice actor. Browse the natural voices, preview a few of them, and I'm going to just pick this one. Step 5. Style your facial pose. Pick small, medium or big and then go for the facial pose. Step 6. Now with all the settings, just hit generate AI videos. Boom. Here is your final output.
Did you know that you don't need a fancy recording studio like this to create videos?
Look at that. It's so amazing, right? If you're good with it, just hit download. You got your final copy of it. Now let's do the same for an animal and see how cute and how crazy it is. In the animal section, you can pick various pets like dog, and there are so many dogs varieties out there in the library. Similarly for a cat, you can find some, and even in some other cartoon animal characters, or you can use your own animal picture. I'm going to try my own picture. Let's see how it's going to turn out.
You clicked.
And here it is.
Now you're on my grid. If you don't watch until end of this video, I will hunt you down.
A talking photo, fully synced and shockingly realistic. Now, also quickly we can do a cartoon character output.
I don't like being a cartoon character anymore. I can live my own life. I have life. Why don't you guys value my life?
What do you think? Just share in the comment and try your own different animal character and make it viral.
Keep watching. I'm still tracking you down.
Now, do you want to make our characters singing and bringing life?
to beat, let's ignite. Feel the fire in the mind. Venom in the air, can't escape. Self-thinking queen, dominate.
Yes, let's do that. Step 1. Go to Singing Photo tool and click on the icons to upload your avatar image. Step 2. As usual, I'll go with my own generated pictures, but there are so many things in the library, you can pick it up. Step 3. Add your music audio you want your character to sing. Step 4. Choose your singing style. Natural, opera, innocent, passionate, soulful, or joyful. Any kind of style you can pick it up based on your music or your character it is. Step 5. Pose and the lip scale. Set it to none, small or medium, whatever you like it. Step 6. Now you got all the settings good. So now let's hit generate AI video. Boom. Here is your output.
RDA feel the rhythm, it's divine. Like filter coffee, strong and fine. From south to north we slay. Draped in silk, we own the day. Tempo bells, they chime so loud. Clown patterns, we're so
Look at the output. This is too good, right? You can see the lip movement and looks. It all looks more interesting, right? So if you're good with it, just hit download. You can get your final copy of it. Now, same thing you can try with the singing animal. It gives you a lot of animal characters you can choose, and also you can select your own, which is quite obvious. I'll go with my own favorite Shih Tzu puppy singing a song about his life. So let's see how it's going to turn out. You can pick any latest viral song and can add it to your favorite animals to sing, and you can make that viral shots or reels in your social media, and you can grab your audience attention. This way you can quickly monetize or start making money on your social media contents. Trust me guys, this is so trending and everyone making thousands and thousands of views by making such videos. Finally, why this is so special? It gives more photorealistic expressions and accurate lip sync, and has a huge voice library and 25 language supports, so it can go for a global reach, and it's fast to export. The free versions has more options to explore the tool and you can make decisions on it. The best value pack is the most popular one here, and if you're really looking for a content creations, trust me guys, you can make very good viral contents using this tool.
Try it out and share your comments. Happy creating.